In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to your Gumroad account, a process that's quick and straightforward. Click on Start by logging into your Gumroad account and heading to the dashboard. On the menu, click on Products. This will show you any existing products and also give you the option to add new ones. Look for the New Product button and click it to begin. Now, give your product a catchy and descriptive name, something that clearly communicates what it is to potential buyers. Next, select the product type. If you're selling an ebook, online course, or any digital item, make sure to choose digital product. This ensures your product is set up correctly for transactions. After that, set your financial details. Choose your currency based on your main customer base and enter a price that reflects the value of your product while remaining competitive. Once that's done, click Customize to dive into the details. Here, write a compelling description that highlights your product's features and benefits. You can also create a custom URL to make your product easy to share. On the visual side, upload a high-quality cover image or video to attract buyers. Don't forget to fill out the product info section with any additional specifics or instructions. Once everything is set, click Save and Continue. At this stage, you can also add extra content like supplemental files or instructions for your customers. Finally, review everything carefully, and when you are satisfied, click Publish and Continue. Congratulations! Your product is now live on Gumroad and ready for customers to purchase. Happy selling and thanks for following along.